Please stand by. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
Global alert, global alert. The Earth will explode in 3 hours. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Gather friends, family, pets, and other things that you love and prepare for the end. And this is the final activation of the emergency alert system. All countries will play their national anthem for the final time. After the national anthem, all internet, TV and radio stations will shut down for the final time. Now we will play our anthem. This is Karen, signing off for the last time. May God help us all.